Hi, I'm Rodley from LemTask. In this video, we'll be talking about a simple setup for daily tasks in Any.do. This is Any.do's homepage. For those who don't have Any.do, the link is down in the description below. For those who have, let's log in. The first thing you need to do is you need to hide anything you're not going to do daily. Like anything you're not going to do today, hide it. Extra views, options, stay away from that. If you don't need it today, then I don't see the point of using it. Always keep your lists small and very small and clean so that the smaller your tasks are and the cleaner your workspace is, the much productive you'll be able to actually, do tasks and complete them. I want you to go to your list. Your list is basically everything that you'll be creating based on what's your purview. But in this case, I just want us to stick with a very good personal list that we're going to have. I want you to have personal inbox today done. This is a simple method that will allow you to continuously execute your tasks on a daily as long as you keep them small. What you need to do is you need to just place the add sign, and what you need to do just you need to add the title. I'll just make a quick example for you. Tasks. Once you have done that, you're just gonna say continue automatically. You can add your task there. That was just an example for me to show you actually how to do it. So I'm just gonna remove that right now. That was just a quick example for you guys. So now I want you to write inbox. You're going to write three list inbox today done. So basically, this is how it's going to go. You are going to go on your inbox. Once you have created that, you just go into add task. And I want us to add five realistic tasks that you're going to complete today, that you're going to set timers and actually do today. So we're only going to add five. Let's not add anything above that. Let's just, you can add lower but not above five. So I'm just going to make quick examples. Reply to emails. Then you have to pick a date. When is this going to be done? This is going to be done today. Then you just set your times on which time it's going to be done. There you just set that. Automatic set your timer. Then on the second column, now you choose which of your list is going to. It's going to your inbox. So once you have done that, you just add it right there. As you can see, it's already added. Now we're just going to continue adding four more like that. As you can see, reply to emails later today, 11 a.m. It's in your inbox. If you want to add extra notes here, you can, or drop any file that supports this, you can also. And then you're going to add your last one. Well, each task starts with an action. Once you go to my day right here, automatically you should see you got all your tasks listed here on on your suggestion side here, showing that you have a task due. Just a quick back here. Once you are here right now, what's only left for you to do is these are your tasks that you have given yourself today. Now is the time for action. You're just gonna hold this task here and you're just gonna slide it into the today's box. So all the tasks that you are willing to do today, you are just gonna slide them in the today's box, signifying them that you are actually going to do them today and you are acting upon them today, not tomorrow, today. So you have your tasks in your today, you go accordingly to the times that you have scheduled. So once 11 comes to a point whereby you're done replying, you want to start working on your emails and you're done, it's a matter of just putting it in the done section. Once you're prepared your meeting notes and you're done preparing your meeting notes, you're just done. Once it's time to pay your internet bill and it's time for you to pay and you're already paid and you're already done, you just put it in the done box. Once you go in your done box, what's only left for you is to tick the tasks that you have completed. You have scheduled the times, you have kept your list small and doable. And once you have done that, you go to your two days, checking what's left of your tasks. You have to follow up with clients, you have to have a meeting. So once you have done that, it's only a matter of also put it into in the done box. Then you just go to the done box and click it once more, signifying that these are the tasks that you have completed throughout your day. This setup works because it removes decisions. I don't think about what tasks belong. I just open the app and I do the work. When the system is quiet, your mind stays clear. For context, this is how we do this in LemTasks. This is LemTask homepage. For those who don't have LemTask, the link is down in the description below. This is LemTasks dashboard. We're just going to go to the brain dump feature right here. Once we're here, there are several ways to actually import your lists or tasks that you want to do. You can import them to even files, transcripts, CSV files, that's your Google Sheets, and audio to tasks. You can also do the one that I usually use the most and love doing to save me time is the voice feature. I'm just going to make two quick examples how I do it. Having a meeting today. It's only about speaking. I extract it as you can see. Having a meeting today. I just give it my times and give it a priority, how high or medium it is for me. Then, of course, suggestion tells me I just click tick. Then I just add it just like that. I'm just going to do one more. Reply to clients today. Once I have done that, I go into my today's box. This is where all my tasks that I have to do stay today. So using the voice feature, it allows me automatically to schedule what I'm going to do automatically by just using my voice and setting the time and date on when I'm going to start executing it. So these are tasks I've already scheduled for myself. What's left for me is when the time hits, it's time for me to act and execute on the task that I've created. Then for a bonus, I would love to use also this feature. My apologies. I would love to use this feature here on the Zen mode, whereby you go to focus timer. Focus timer is whereby when I'm starting the task, I would just press start like this so that it keeps track of what I'm actually doing and I'm following the plan and I'm actually focusing on doing the task at hand. If 25 minutes come to go past, I just have to reset it again and continue. If I am going to take a break, I'm just short or long, depending on how much break I'm going to take. As you can see, a 5 minutes break or a 15 minutes break, just for me to take a break and come back working. That's the any best setup that you can get from Any.do setup for daily tasks. Keep it simple, focus on today, and finish more than you can organize. Keep it simple.